Welcome to the On My Workbench channel. In this video I show how I made a DIY urinal, because when you've gotta go, you gotta go. As I got older, I found myself having to pee a lot more often. My dad used to say that he did not know anyone over 60 that was not trying to remember someone's name or find a place to take a leak. He was so right about both. I built the DIY urinal out of 3-inch and 1.5-inch PVC pipe and fittings. I have a utility sink on the inside of the workshop that drains through the workshop wall, where it turns down 90 degrees and goes underground below the frost line, where it turns 90 degrees again and goes into a clean out and into the pipe to the septic tank. I dug down and cut the pipe and added an underground P-trap. The P-trap creates a water trap that keeps gases from the septic tank from backing up and coming out of the urinal. I added a 1.5-inch sanitary T to the pipe coming out of the wall and added a pipe down to the P-trap below ground level. Next I used a 3-inch to 1.5-inch reducer coupling to go from the 3-inch pipe down to the 1.5-inch pipe. I needed a splash guard so I don't pee on the wall. I used my bandsaw to cut a piece of 3-inch PVC drain pipe to an angle of 45 degrees on one end. Then I cut it down so it was a total of 6 inches long from the pointed top to the flat bottom. I am very happy with my DIY urinal. It's so nice not having to stop whatever I'm doing and go to the house a dozen times a day. I am thinking about a better way to flush it. I need a way to do it that won't freeze in the winter. Please check back with the On My Workbench channel for more videos on cool stuff. Please subscribe, like, comment, and click the little bell. And thanks from the On My Workbench channel.